I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Well, it's 1:15 in the morning. I'll show you how hard it's raining. See that? Ow. The dogs are a little scared. I wanted to show you this. There's a river out in front of my house. I'm only awake because there was a loud thunder, or loud lightning. Lightning thunder, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, well, since we know it, let's go check the basement. I may regret knowing it. Hang on. Poor Callie, she is terrified. She's been drugged. I'm hearing gurgling. I hear gurgling in my sink. And it's funny, as soon as I stopped recording, it said flash flood warning. Let's see what we see in the basement. Oh, good. Nothing's coming up yet. It's dry. It's trickling, but that's all right. That's normal. Down there is where it was, and over there is where it was. So, nothing from my chimney yet either. Oh, hallelujah. All right. Well, I'm going back to bed now. Bye. All right. Good morning. Let's take a look. That sewer thing had never happened in the past, is what I was about to say. But it looked like it happened again today. Wow. I mean, it's all receded, but you can see the sludge, we'll call it, all out there. A little bit around there. Huh. I woke up, I was like, man, it feels so wet in here. Now I know. Evidently the city's flash flooding. The city's pipes are not doing so good with it this year. But, all right, there we go. That's my weekend project, is to hose that down. All right, we didn't check yesterday. I didn't care enough. And I really don't care today, but I'm about to get in the shower. So, boy, that's fuzzy. Come on there, feller. There we go. All right. All right, let's see what we're looking at here. Hold on. I don't believe that. Give me just a second. I don't believe it. I feel like it's too low. So give me just a second. Sometimes I wonder if I moved it to a spot where, it's not right. I just feel like that's a little too low. Let's see, is that clear? Come on, fella. Kick on. Now. Okay, there. Now you can see it. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see what it is. Well, alright then. I say that in a good way. Y'all saw I ate everything yesterday that I usually eat. So, I don't know. I'll take it. So, we're just going to round up and call it 172. Funny thing is, that is the highest I was until the family trip. So I'm going to say I have lost the weight from the holidays. And because let's see, my lowest was 158. We'll just say 160 for math, because I'm all about. So that was, and my highest before was 172. And now I'm 172. So, all right then. So now I got about 12, 14 more to go. I'll be happy about that. Go, Terri. Go, Terri. Welcome back to the land of the living, Terri. Ooh, doggies. I'm alive. That's as good as it gets today. I'm alive. I'm hoping that I can get to work. Sometimes I told y'all last time we tried to leave work, we couldn't because my coworker got flooded. So, yeah. If you see me eating lunch in my car, you'll know I made it to work. If you see me eating lunch at the house, you know I didn't make it. So, all right, I'll see you later. I'm going to get out before it starts raining hard again. Bye. But this is why I could never live in like a rainforest, like a tropical rainforest or something. I don't know, where in the United States does it rain like this hard, this often? I don't know. I know they get a lot of rain in Florida, but they get a lot of sunshine too. Ain't it called the Sunshine State? I don't know. I think I remember seeing a TV show on Washington State. Doesn't Washington State get a lot of rain? I don't know. Anyway, let me just shut up and get driving. Bye. Guys, Mr. Sunshine is out. Yay! I drugged the dogs for nothing. But Alexa said it was supposed to storm. At, she said, from 8 to 9. From 11 to 12. And 2 to 3 maybe. I don't know. 3 different times before I come home. I forgot today. Suzanne and I have our meeting that we go out to eat. We're not going out till 12. And we're going to try Chipotle. I've never been to a Chipotle. I've been to Qdoba. I'm spitting cauliflower. But it's 11. And we're not going to eat till 12. So I'm going to go in and eat some veggies. But yeah, so we're going to... what the heck did I just say? Not Qdoba, the other one. Chipotle. So we're going to go to Chipotle. So I'll show y'all when I get there. Like I said, I've never been there, so it'll be interesting. But she's in a meeting until 12. So at 12 is when we will go to our thing. So I feel fancy because I hear people talk about Chipotle. I've never been to one. You know the grass is always greener on the other side. We may go, and it may be the exact same thing. Or it may be bad. Or it may be great. I have no idea, but I'm excited. I'm going to try a Chipotle. That sounds so fancy. Chipotle versus Qdoba. Anyway, but yeah, so that's where we're going to eat. Because like I said, we have a meeting. She and I do our monthly meeting. It's always the second Friday of the month. So if I forget to tell you before ahead of time and you see that it's a Friday and I'm eating, that's it. I'm feeling better. Still coughing up some junk, but that's normal. I'm getting a little hot. So it's a steroid and antibiotic shot that I always get. And pretty soon I'll start having roid rage. Usually probably about this afternoon. And then I'll have trouble sleeping because I'll be so wound up from the steroid part. But it's okay. It's going to make it go away. And that's all I care about. I want it to go away. And not feel poopy. But it's funny. It's like the the steroid part, the Kenalog, it just makes, as I get closer, I already told the team that I had my shot yesterday. And they know after about 2 o'clock, don't be talking to me or something, because I might be grouchy. I have these seat covers on my seats, and it's kind of bugging me, all the fur that's on this one over here. Oh yeah, I showed y'all in the beginning that the sewer line backed up again. I do know that I already have like something in there anyway, and I usually have to call every so often. So I called a guy, and they're going to come next week sometime. So I don't know if it'll stop the backing up from the rain, but it'll at least stop the backing up from every time I do laundry. So, but I'll hose it down at some point. I'm glad I got my hose down there still. Go Terri. Go Terri. I'm going to go eat this. Did I tell you Wednesday I go to Jefferson City? Okay, maybe the Kenalog is kicking in already. Maybe. because I'm feeling a little bit. Next Wednesday, we go to Jeff City for our meeting. I'll see what I take. I don't know. They've been having some decent stuff. And since I'm having veggies, I don't know. I'll see what I feel like. My gosh, wouldn't that be awesome for me to take? Oh, remember I used to take my taco bowl every time I went to those meetings? Oh, I might. You never know. All right, anyway, I'm just rambling now. Bye. Welcome to Terri on Steroids. Quick update. Chipotle was packed, like no parking, probably because it's still new here. So we are at our favorite Texas Roadhouse. House salad, and I got blue cheese on it, but no nuts, yay. All right, guys, roadkill and broccoli, and that is my lunch today. Oh yeah, and I ate all my veggies in the baggie. Hi. So I'm home. I'm gonna see what I have for supper. I did not eat my frozen Jello today. I'm gonna pop it in the refrigerator. Actually, I'll pop it back in the freezer, and I'll do it tomorrow. Hopefully, it refreezes fine. But okay, I just want to tell you that I didn't have it. I just had what I told you, my veggies, and then my roadkill and the salad and the broccoli. I'll show you supper here in a minute. Ooh, doggies, y'all. I am hot. I tell you, earlier, I was like, so I had to go take a walk at work. I was getting on my own nerves. I can only imagine how I was getting on everybody else's nerves. I definitely feel better. It's more like I feel like just some congestion right here. But I'm on the mend. Thank you, Jesus, for Rocephin and Kinalog. Knocks it out every time. I tell you, I've been getting those shots. Man. Well, since I was I can't even tell you when. Since my 20s, I've been getting them at least once or twice a year. Told y'all I used to lose my voice every fall. I didn't lose it in the spring, I don't think. I always lost it in the fall because of all this. And it's funny, my nurse Leslie, who's been with me a long time, when I did her interview, she's been with me 14 years. And when I did her interview, I didn't have a voice. So, yeah, this is sensitive sinuses. All right. So what do we have to eat tonight? Well, let me just tell you what I done. I have a 1/3 pound of my 93% ground beef, okay? And then I took some onions and some spinach and some cabbage. And that is what I cooked that up in my skillet, my cast iron skillet. Put a little, some kind of vinegar, like a red wine vinegar, balsamic vinegar, something like that. Put a little of that in there, so it's going to have a twang. Let's see what we think. My taste is coming back too. Gosh, oh, I'm hot. Hang on. That's better. I put it down to 69. I'm hoping I cool down fast. That's the other side effect. I get manic and I get hot. And then I have trouble sleeping. But that's okay. It's totally worth it. So yeah. So ground beef, onions, cabbage, and spinach. I love food. Yes, I do. I love you. Boop, boop, boop. Such a good little boy. Him's a little stinker pot. All right. I'm a little nervous about this. And I ordered 2 of each one. I ordered a red licorice and a black licorice. I like black licorice. But this is the red one. But it only has no color. I like black licorice, but I don't know if I could eat a whole thing of it. And same with red licorice. I don't know if I can eat a whole thing of it. So we're just going to give it a whirl and see what we think. So this one is red licorice. Yeah, it's definitely tastes like red licorice. I always think licorice has a little bit of a medicinal taste too. It's like I'm eating a cough syrup. A whole bowl of red cough syrup. Will I buy this one again? No. Do you like red licorice and you want a whole bowl of it? You would enjoy it. But, I mean, I'll eat it. Y'all know dang well I'm going to eat it. Because it's not awful. It's just like a creamy medicine. So that's what I got for y'all today. I'm going to let it go. Let it go. Let it go. There's a place you need to know. Let it go. Let it go. Here I stand. Here I'll stay. Cold never bothered me anyway, and that is a lie. Cold used to not bother me, but it does now. All right, I love you, weirdos. Bye. Tomorrow I gotta go to Walmart. I'll take y'all with me.